Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blooming nail gel polish. First, ensure your nails are clean, filed, and buffed for the best adhesion. Next, apply a very thin layer of your favorite base coat, making sure to cap the free edge. Cure this base coat under a UV or LED lamp for about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your lamp's wattage. This crucial first step creates a strong foundation for your beautiful blooming design. Now, let's apply your base color. Choose your desired shade and apply 1 or 2 very thin coats, curing each layer under your UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Remember, thin coats prevent bubbling and ensure a long-lasting manicure. Once your base color is cured, apply a medium, uncured layer of blooming gel polish. This layer is key for the magic to happen, so don't cure it yet. This is where the fun begins. While the blooming gel is still wet, take a dotting tool or a thin brush and gently drop small dots or lines of a contrasting gel polish onto the surface. You'll immediately see the colors start to spread and create stunning, organic patterns. Let the design develop for about 5 to 10 seconds, allowing the unique blooming effect to fully emerge before curing. Once your blooming design has fully developed, it's time to cure it under your UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. This step locks in your beautiful artwork. Finally, apply a generous layer of a no-wipe top coat to seal and protect your design, giving it a brilliant, long-lasting shine. Cure the top coat for 60 to 90 seconds, and your gorgeous blooming nails are complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.